안녕하세요. Hi everyone. So far we have studied the verb 을까요? Shall we? And then the answer is let's do something. Verb 아요, 해요, 오요. And also we study the irregular, right? This time we are going to study another A1 level. It's called adjective verb 네요. Can you see in this picture? There is Kyla and there's Suyeon. They ate Korean spicy food. After that, they want to say something it's so hot and then they want to express their feeling how it was so hot. So, adjective verb 네요 can be used for expressing some thoughts and feelings. So, what is the adjective verb 네요? Let's see. Can you see? Adjective verb 네요 is used when you have seen something contrary to your expectations or when expressing surprise or unexpected emotions about a particular subject. It conveys a sense of emotion, surprise, and emphasis. So, like I said, adjective verb 네요 express your thought and surprise like emphasis feeling. Example, can you see A, B? A said, 이 컵라면이 진짜 맵네요. And B said, 맞죠? 저도 매워요. A said, 이 컵라면이, this cup noodles is 진짜, really. And then 맵네요, express feeling thoughts. So hot, express hot. So 맵네요. And then B said, 맞죠, right. And then 저도 매워요. It's spicy for me too, like this. Can you see another example? A said, wow, 오늘 날씨가 정말 좋네요. And then B said, 맞아요. 날씨가 맑고 시원하네요. So A and B, they are talking about the weather, how it's nice today. So A said, wow is wow. 오늘 날씨가, today's weather is 정말, it's really 좋네요. It's good, nice, express thought. Right? And then B said, 맞아요, you're right. And 날씨가 맑고 시원하네요. So the weather is sunny, clear, and 시원하네요. It's cool and refreshing. So B also said that you're right. So like express his or her thoughts, like good and refreshing. He want to say or she want to say. So adjective verb 네요 can be used like these examples. And can you see the next one? Adjective verb 네요 and adjective 군요, verb 는군요 are similar ways of saying something. But people use adjective verb 네요 more in everyday life. It also sounds a bit softer than adjective 군요, verb 는군요. Korean people use adjective verb 네요 and 군요, 는군요 both. But this time, I recommend you to use adjective verb 네요 first. Because adjective verb 네요 is more easy to remember and sounds more softer than 군요, 는군요. Okay? And let's see, there's another explanation. Can you see? When using adjective verb 네요, you should express your feelings or thoughts, and you shouldn't just repeat what you have heard. Example, can you see? A said, 저는 오늘 햄버거 10개를 먹었어요. B said, 진짜요? 10개를 먹었네요. So A said that 햄버거 10개를 먹었어요. And then B said, 진짜요? Really? 10개를 먹었네요. So cannot repeat. Sounds weird. You have to express your thoughts. Just repeating is not good. You always have to express your feelings or thoughts. Example, you have to say like this. 진짜 많이 먹었네요. 괜찮아요? So you don't have to say 10개를 먹었네요. You can say 진짜 많이 먹었네요. It's your thoughts, right? So you can say like this. 진짜 많이 먹었네요. And 괜찮아요? Are you okay? Like this. I can eat hamburgers 4 to 5. It's already a lot for me. But my friends also can ask me like, Jin, you ate a lot of hamburgers. Wow. They can say to me, Jin, 햄버거 진짜 많이 먹었네요. They can express their surprise feeling and thoughts. When you use the adjective verb 네요, please don't repeat what they have said to you. You have to express your thoughts and your own feeling and your opinion. Please remember. Let's practice together how to use the adjective verb 네요. Can you see? First sentence. 여기는 경치가 좋고 공기가 깨끗하네요. 여기는 is here. 경치가 좋고. 경치 is a landscape or view. So 좋고. So the landscape is good. And 공기가 공기 is the air. And then 깨끗하네요. 깨끗하네요. Original adjective is 깨끗하다. And then the air is clean. So 여기는 경치가 좋고 공기가 깨끗하네요. The whole translation is the scenery here is nice and the air is clean. So he or she want to express his or her own surprise feeling or thought. So 경치가 좋고 공기가 깨끗하네요. And next sentence. 저 사람이 노래를 아주 잘하네요. 저 사람 is the that person. 노래 is a song. 아주 really 잘하네요. So original verb is the 노래를 하다. So 노래를 하다 is a sing a song. If you say 노래를 잘하다, 잘 is well. So 잘하다 means he or she is good at something. So this time 노래를 잘하다 means good at singing. So that person sings very nice, like very well, like this. Whole translation is that person sings very well. You also can say 저 사람이 노래를 아주 잘해요. It's just the normal statement, right? So that person sings very well. But if you want to express your surprise feeling or your like amazing feeling, you can say 잘하네요. It's like an emphasis. That person sings very well. And next sentence. 지하철에 사람이 너무 많네요. 지하철 is a subway. 사람이 너무 많네요. So 사람이 많아요 means there are a lot of people. 너무 is an adverb, so there are too many people on the subway, like this. You also can say 지하철에 사람이 너무 많아요. It's just a normal statement. But if you want to express your surprise feeling, you can say 많네요. Express your feelings. And next sentence. 이 디저트 한 개가 3만 원이에요. 너무 비싸네요. 이 디저트 is this dessert 한 개가 3만 원이에요. 30,000 won. 너무 비싸네요. 너무 is too and then 비싸네요. Expensive. Too expensive. Original adjective is 비싸다. And then you also can say 너무 비싸요. Just a normal statement. But if you want to express your feeling like too expensive, if you want to say, you can say 너무 비싸네요. You can say. So the whole translation is this dessert 30,000 won? It's too expensive. Express feeling. And next sentence. 이게 5,000원이에요. 정말 싸네요. 이게 is the 이것이, and then 이게 is the abbreviation of 이것이. You also can say 이것은 5,000원이에요. Question. 이것이 5,000원이에요. It doesn't matter. You can say 이것은 or 이것이. Both are fine. And 정말 싸네요. Really cheap. 싸네요. Original adjective is the 싸다 means cheap. So 이게 5,000원이에요. 정말 싸네요. So the whole translation is this only 5,000 won? It's really cheap, like this. And next sentence. 어젯밤에 비가 많이 왔네요. 어젯밤에, 어제 is the yesterday, 밤에 is the night. So yesterday night, 비가 is the rain, 많이 왔네요. So 비가 오다 is the rain. So 비가 많이 is the a lot. So it rained a lot. 비가 많이 왔네요. You also can say 비가 많이 왔어요. Express this normal statement. But if you want to express your like a surprise feeling, wow, you also can say 비가 많이 왔네요. You can say. So before sleep, you didn't know there was rain. But after you wake up, you realize that it rained a lot. So you surprised. 비가 많이 왔네요. So how do you think about the adjective verb 네요? Was it difficult for you? Please remember, adjective verb 네요 express your thoughts and feelings. Please don't repeat what they said. Please remember, express your thoughts, own feeling, surprise feeling. Please review yourself. If there is any question, leave me a comment. We will see in the next lesson. 안녕히 계세요.